Buying the best egg cooker doesn't need to be complicated. After days of research using my culinary experience, I have a pretty good idea of what makes a good egg cooker. So, without further ado, here are the products that made the top 5. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the most up-to-date prices for each of the best egg cookers. Okay, so if you're hunting for the best hard-boiled egg maker, then you should definitely check out the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker. I seriously think you'll love this egg cooker for its ease of use and consistent cooking results. The Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker simplifies your morning routine because you can cook up to 7 eggs at once, perfect for meal prep or feeding a family. The included measuring cup takes the guesswork out of achieving your desired doneness. Just fill to the marked line for soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs. One of the standout features is the auto shutoff function. No more worrying about overcooking or forgetting about your eggs. When the cooking cycle is complete, the indicator light turns off, letting you know your eggs are ready. This hands-off approach frees you up to focus on other morning tasks. The built-in piercing pin on the measuring cup is a clever addition. It allows you to make a small hole in the eggshell before cooking, which helps prevent cracking and makes peeling easier. You'll appreciate this time saver when preparing deviled eggs or egg salad. Cleaning up is super simple with this egg cooker. The removable parts, the egg tray, lid, and measuring cup are all dishwasher safe. Similarly, the compact size of the unit means it won't take up much counter space, and it's easy to store in a cabinet when not in use. While the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker excels at boiling eggs, it's worth noting that it's a single-purpose appliance. If you're looking for a multifunctional kitchen gadget, this might not be the best choice. However, for those who frequently enjoy boiled eggs, the convenience and consistency it offers make it a worthwhile addition to your kitchen. Now, if you're looking for the best electric egg poacher, then the popular Evoloop Egg Master is a great option because it's a versatile and efficient kitchen gadget that simplifies egg preparation for busy individuals and families alike. This nifty little appliance takes the guesswork out of cooking eggs. You can whip up soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with ease. The Egg Master also excels at poaching eggs and making omelets, giving you plenty of breakfast options to explore. With a capacity of 6 eggs, you'll save time and water compared to traditional stovetop methods. Plus, the auto shutoff feature ensures your eggs are cooked to perfection without any babysitting. Just set it and forget it until the buzzer sounds. Compact and lightweight, this egg cooker is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or even taking on camping trips. It measures just 8.6 inches by 5.6 inches by 7.4 inches, making it easy to store in tight spaces or pack for outdoor adventures. The Evoloop Egg Master comes with a variety of accessories to enhance your egg cooking experience. You'll get 2 poaching trays, an omelet tray, and an egg holder tray. The included measuring cup with a hole puncher helps you add the precise amount of water for your desired egg consistency. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the detachable parts. The transparent lid, egg tray, and heating tray can all be removed for quick and easy washing. This feature is especially handy when you're short on time or dealing with sticky egg residue. Up next on my best egg maker roundup, we have the tried and tested Hamilton Beach Egg Cooker, which I really think is great all-around versatile egg cooker for quick, perfectly cooked eggs every time. The Hamilton Beach Egg Cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking eggs. You can whip up soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with ease. The cooker holds up to 7 eggs at a time, so you can make breakfast for the whole family in one go. What's great is you're not limited to just boiled eggs. The included poaching tray lets you make restaurant-quality poached eggs at home. There's even an omelet option if you're in the mood for something different. The non-stick trays make cleanup a breeze too. You'll appreciate the audible alert that lets you know when your eggs are ready. No more hovering over the stove or setting timers. The see-through lid allows you to keep an eye on the cooking process if you want. The water measuring cup doubles as an egg piercing tool, which can help prevent shells from cracking during cooking. Just be careful, as some users find the plastic cup a bit flimsy. As with any egg cooker on the market, getting the absolute perfect egg doneness may take a little trial and error at first. You'll need to adjust the amount of water based on how you like your eggs. But once you find your ideal settings, you'll be churning out perfect eggs every time. Whether you're on a keto diet, meal prepping, or just love a good egg like I do, this compact egg cooker will become your new kitchen MVP. Now for the runner-up on my best rapid egg cooker, and it's a great pick. This compact egg cooker from Dash is a must-have for anyone who loves perfectly cooked eggs without the hassle. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker brings convenience to your kitchen with its ability to cook up to 6 eggs at once. You'll love how it takes the guesswork out of preparing soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs. The cooker's compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or even RVs. This nifty gadget isn't just for boiling eggs though. You can also use it to make poached eggs or individual omelets. The included poaching tray and omelet tray expand your breakfast options and give you more variety. It's a great tool for picky eaters or busy mornings when you need a quick protein boost. One of the best and most underappreciated features of this egg cooker is its simplicity. You just add the right amount of water using the included measuring cup, place your eggs in the tray, and press the start button. The auto shutoff feature ensures your eggs are cooked to perfection every time. When the eggs are ready, a buzzer alerts you, so you can focus on other tasks while your breakfast cooks. Cleaning up is really simple with this egg cooker as well. The non-electric parts are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. The sleek design and color options mean it won't be an eyesore on your countertop. Plus, all the accessories fit inside the cooker for compact storage. You'll appreciate the consistency this cooker provides. No more overcooked or undercooked eggs. The shells are easier to peel, making it ideal for preparing deviled eggs or egg salad. With the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, you'll find yourself eating more eggs and enjoying the process of cooking them. So, what is the absolute best egg cooker that you can buy? In my opinion, the Cuisinart Egg Central is the best egg cooker on the market because it's a truly versatile egg cooker that will simplify your breakfast routine and deliver perfectly cooked eggs every time. You'll love the convenience of the Cuisinart Egg Central. This nifty appliance can cook up to 10 eggs at once, making it perfect for busy mornings or when you're meal prepping for the week. The 2-tier cooking system allows you to customize your egg consistency, whether you prefer them hard, medium, or soft. The versatility of this egg cooker is truly impressive. Not only can you make perfect boiled eggs, but you can also use the removable trays to poach eggs or whip up quick omelets. This feature alone makes it a valuable addition to your kitchen, saving you time and effort in preparing various egg dishes. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart Egg Central for me is its precision cooking. The included measuring beaker takes the guesswork out of cooking times. You simply fill it to the appropriate level, pour the water into the cooking plate, and let the machine do its magic. This ensures consistent results every time you use it. Safety is also a priority with this egg cooker. The built-in LED light and audible alert help prevent overcooking, while the standby mode adds an extra layer of protection. You can start your eggs and go about your morning routine without worrying about them overcooking or burning. The Cuisinart Egg Central boasts a sleek design with a brushed stainless steel lid that will complement any kitchen decor. Its compact size means it won't take up too much counter space, and the built-in cord storage keeps things tidy when not in use. With its combination of functionality and style, this egg cooker is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Okay, so there you have it, guys. My carefully curated list of the best egg cookers on the market today. Feel free to let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this egg cooker reviews video helpful in any way, then please do give it a like. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, you could maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thank you very much for watching.